Hey everyone, this is Corbin with My Tennessee Home Solution. We're not listing your home, we're buying it. While we have solutions for homeowners who want to list their house, our area of expertise is buying the home as is for cash. With us, there are no showings, no open houses, and no waiting. You deal directly with the buyer. That's us. With that, there are some distinct advantages. A few of those being number one, there are no repairs required to sell the home. Number two, there are no realtor commissions or fees. Number three, we get to talk about and agree to a closing date that could be in a few short days or a few months. Number four, there are no closing costs and fees to work with us specifically. Number five, when we come to an agreement to buy your house, we're on the same team. So any title issues, relocation issues, tenant issues, and more, we take those on with a personal interest in order to get you moved on and ensure that we can follow through and get this done for you. This is not a comprehensive list, and each situation is very unique and different, and there are different advantages. But these are just a few of the advantages of working directly with the buyer. Would you like a cash offer today? Call 615-637-SOLD or head to mytennesseehomesolution.com. Thank you.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.